Welcome to Cafdil Lessons.
Hi, lovely ones. How is everyone? I'm also fine. You'll meet your presenter, Mrs. Gatti, to take you through some mathematics activities. Mathematics time, activity time. Now, today, we're going to skip count by 2 backwards. Now, let's look at our objective. It says, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to count by 2s backwards. Demonstrate the backwards count on the number chart. We're going to demonstrate the backwards count on the number chart. But before we do that, we took some homework. And let's go over what we did the other time, and then we come to this work. Now let's look at it properly. It says 18. From 18 we went to 20. From 20, 22. Good. From 22, 24. Then 26. Good. Now it says from 48 we went to 50. From 50, 52. 52, 54. 54, 56. You all did good work, neat work for me. So I'll go to give each one a new pencil for today's work. Now, so this is adding on by 2, skip count by 2. But this time, our new work says we skip count by 2 backwards. We skip count by 2 backwards. Now let's do this little thing. If I'm on post 10, we are going to skip count by 2 backwards. If I'm on post 10, have you seen me write this here? I'm on post 10. I'm skipping backwards 2. So where will I go? 8. Good. So I get to 8. Another skip 6. Another skip 4. Another skip 2. Good. Have you seen? It's just like we move backwards by 2. Now on this number chart, let's start from 20. Now we are going to count backwards by 2. We are all going to work that. When we are done, we write that in our exercise book. Is that clear? Good. Now we are on 20. Moving down by 2. Where will you stand? 18. 18. Yes. From 18 move down by 2. 16. From 16, move down by 2. From 16, move down by 2. 14. Yes, 14 by 2, we move down. 12. Skip back to 10. Skip back to 8. Good. Then 6. 4 and 2. Good. So that is 1. Now let's get to 50. Let's get to 50. From 50, skip 2 backwards. 48. Take your time. 48. From 48, skip 2 backwards. Come. 46. 46. From 46, skip backwards 2. 44. Yes, 44. 42. Next, 40. Good. From 40, 38. 36. 34. 32. Good. Now let's go to the last one here. It says 100. Now we run all the way and then we go to 100. And we are to move backwards. How many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 100, if we move 2 steps backwards, which post are we going to stand on? 98. 98. Help me with the next. 96. 96. The next is what? 94. 94. From 94, we move down. 92. We move 2 steps down. 90. 2 steps down. 88. 2 steps down. 86. 86. 2 steps down. 84. 84. 2 steps down will be what? 82. 82. So this is how we have filled our boxes. We did the first one from 10, we got to 8, 6, 4 and 2. The first set was 10, 6, 8, 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. Now the next step, for the day we had 20. We were on post 20. So we had to move 2 steps backwards. So let's read 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. Good. Now on post 50, moving 2 steps backwards, we read as what? 50, 48, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32. Now we go to 100. We're moving 2 steps backwards. So 100, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86, 84, 82. Good. Now children, we're going to work in our exercise books. And then it says we are to skip count by 2 backwards and fill the missing numbers. We skip count by 2 backwards and then fill the missing numbers. Now we have 24 here. 24 here. We have 24. So what number is missing here? What number? Yes, 22. 22, then 20. Then the next one will be what? 18. Good. Now from 18, skip backwards 2. You land on what post? 16. From 16, 14. We move on to 12. And then 10. Now we've all done this. The second one, we are going to fill the gaps. We have 32, 30, 24, 20. So we are going to fill these gaps. 30 what number is missing here, the next missing number before you get to 24, then the next missing number, then to 20. You have the number line in your exercise books, and the strokes have been. So fill in this in your exercise book. The first one, we've all done it. So we're just going to copy this and then complete number 1. We've all completed. So number 2, fill in these gaps for me. Are you okay? Right. Now, let's come back here and then work on our homework. We have 2 exercises. Number 1 starts from 40. There's a number missing here. Let's all help ourselves to find the first missing number here from 40. If we move backwards 2, where are we going to stand? On what number? Are we going to stand? 38. Good. 38. So we've done the first one for number 1. Let's move to number 2. 100. Number 2, 100. We are on the top. 100. Move 2 steps backwards. On what posts number are you going to stand on? 98. Good. 98. So we have our homework, counting backwards by 2. The 1, 40, 38. So you complete the 3 gaps. Second starts from 100. Then we got 98. From 98, complete the 3 for me. Are you okay? Right. Now take your books, your homework books. Start copying. Right? Good. A quick run off of what we've done. Children, if I'm on post 36, I'm moving backwards by 2. I'm moving backwards by 2. I'm on 36. Where will I land? Yes. 34. Good. If I'm on 20, if I'm on post 20, moving backwards by 2, where will I land? 18. I've really enjoyed the lesson for today. Copy your homework, do neat work, read more. Whatever you don't understand, ask your elder brother or sister, will help you at home. Stay blessed till we meet again. Bye bye.